If you could create an AI clone of yourself that worked 24/7 to make you money online and it only took you about 5 minutes to do it, would you do it? Comment on this video and let me know, because that's exactly what I'm about to show you. I'm going to show you the complete beginner method for creating free AI avatars that can earn you thousands of dollars in commissions promoting other people's products. In other words, just sharing a link. So the more clicks that you get on this link, the more sales you make, and obviously the more money you earn. Now, what's mind-blowing about this is it's a lot easier than you think. So what I'm talking about is how to turn any photo of yourself into a talking video using AI. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and I want to get you started with this as fast as possible because this is one of the easiest ways to make money online, particularly if you are lazy and don't want to spend time editing videos. So check this out. Here is what I'm going to show you how to create in the next few minutes.
What would you be doing right now if you had an AI clone of yourself that did your job for you so you never had to go back to work? Most people don't realize this yet, but you can create an AI version of yourself for free by clicking 3 buttons at OneClickVids.com. So how do these AI avatars actually make money? Simple. Use them to promote the affiliate offers from CopyTheList.com and let them make money for you around the clock while you do whatever you want. Comment yes on this video if you want me to send you a complete free training on exactly how to do this. What would you be doing?
So what if I told you it only took me 3 minutes to make that video, and it not only got me 93 views on this account, but I actually automate these videos to get posted to about 7 different accounts, and I upload multiple of them per day to all 7 of these accounts on complete autopilot. I'm going to show you how to do that too, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. But before we go any further, I want to give you a visualization of how this works and show you the exact steps. So first, let's pull up the steps so you can see exactly what we're doing here. Comment AI avatar if you would actually do this and create a clone of yourself that worked for you 24/7, so that you don't have to. So what I'm going to be showing you here is completely free, so there's no reason that you can't get started with this today. So here's step one. Go to OneClickVids.com and click on the tab that says Free Tools and then Talking AI Photos. So I'll show you what that looks like. If you come over here to OneClickVids.com, you're going to click this tab that says Free Tools, and then right here where it says Talking AI Photos. And that's how you get started, but let me show you how this works real quick. So if we take a look at the steps, the next step is to upload a headshot facing forward with your mouth closed, and a pro tip is to use a green screen so that you can repurpose this video on whatever background you like. But like I said, here's an overview of the process. So we're going to generate videos using the tool at oneclickvids.com. Then you're going to upload these videos to social media. So this is a little icon of a video here. And then what happens is we're going to send the traffic from this video, the people who watch this video, we're going to send them to an opt-in page. Now this is kind of expert level stuff. You don't have to do all this, but I'm just showing you how this works so that you can have the best chance for success. So once people opt in, they're going to get a series of AI generated emails on a daily basis that send them right back to the link that makes you money. Now if all of this is a little bit above your head, that's okay. It won't be in a few minutes. Just stick around and you'll be able to do this in no time. So step 3 is to enter your script, and you can either type this out manually or generate it with AI. You can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini, but ultimately, like I said, once you come to oneclickvids.com, you click on Free Tools, Talking AI Photos. The next step is to then click here to upload a file. So you'll just click here and upload an image. Then you'll type your name, select the gender. It looks like they only have male and female. So for those of you who are identifying as pterodactyls, I'm sorry, you're just going to have to go with what they got here. And then you're going to enter your script. So like I said, you can generate this with AI, or you can simply type it in. Whatever you want this to say, you just type it into the box and then you click proceed. Now what's going to happen is they're going to email you a copy of your video. And like I said, it's going to be exactly like the one you watched here. Now I went ahead and put text, put captions over top of my video using CapCut, but you don't have to do this. It's going to email you a video with your script read aloud, which is pretty cool. Again, considering that 3 minutes worth of work got me over 100 views just on this one account alone. And then, like I said, I upload this same video to multiple different accounts on multiple different platforms, and I do this multiple times per day. So that's how easy it is to create the AI videos. But what everyone really wants to know is how to actually make money with this stuff. So that's where step 5 comes in. You're going to want to monetize these videos with affiliate offers. And in case you don't know what that means, affiliate offer just means a commission only sale, right? You're going to share a link, and every time someone buys something through that link, you will get a portion of the profits. And so what I've done is made this really easy for you. If you head to copythelist.com, all you have to do is click one of these green buttons, and you can make a copy of my money making affiliate link spreadsheet. So what this is a spreadsheet I've put together of all of the different tools that I've found so far that will pay you for promoting them online. In other words, all you have to do is do what it says here, click the link for the tool you want to promote, register as an affiliate, and then you're going to share the link where interested people will click. So how are we going to get interested people to click this link? Well, we're going to be posting AI generated videos that tell people to go to our link. So that's how easy it is. You come to copythelist.com. You don't even have to enter your email address. There's no opt-in. You just click a button and you can either copy this to your Google Sheets account or you can download it directly to your device, whatever you want to do. But then you're going to pick one of these tools or multiple of these tools, or if you really want to take it to the next level, you could do what I've done here and create a spreadsheet and then link people to the spreadsheet. It's up to you, but all of the tools on this list will pay you just for sharing a link, right? Of course, you have to make a sale, but the more you share the link, the more clicks you'll get, the more sales you'll make, and the more money you earn. It's actually pretty simple, and that's why I'm showing you this here, because pretty much if you're able to log into YouTube and watch a video, then I already know you can click buttons, so there's no reason you can't get started doing this. So what I've shown you so far is kind of easy mode. So what I want to show you now is intermediate mode. If you want to take this to the next level, you could do what I said at the beginning and schedule out a month's worth of videos or more in one day using a tool at automatereels.com. So the tool at automatereels.com, it's really simple. You can actually use it free for I think 30 days by clicking this green button. And then all you have to do is add your social media accounts to this tool. Just tell it what accounts you want to post to, and then you upload the videos. And like I said, this is what it looks like. It's a calendar. You can schedule out as many of these videos or whatever kind of posts you want each day. And I honestly have this set up for months into the future, and the reason I do that is so that I don't have to worry every single day. Do I have time to make a video today? Did I post a video today? You know, am I gonna get any traffic? This is done for months in advance, so I don't even have to think about it. And then of course I can go and upload more videos, but if I don't, if I take a day off, if I take a week off, these videos just get uploaded on autopilot. So that's intermediate mode. You can use automatereels.com to set all of this up in a short period of time so that it just runs on complete autopilot. So if you want to take it up even a notch above that, you can jump into expert mode, and what that is creating a 7-day automated AI email sequence, and you can do that again free for 30 days using the tool at funnelsforever.com. So you come to funnelsforever.com, you start your 30-day free trial, and what that's going to let you do is set up one of these automated email sequences. So at a minimum, I'd recommend setting up a 7-day email sequence, and the reason is because when people go through this process, you create the video, you post the video, people are actually going to come and check out your offer. So they're going to opt in here, and then they're going to get sent straight to your affiliate link. But the problem is most people bounce. So you'll send a bunch of traffic to this offer, and most people are going to take a look at it and then leave, right? Maybe rent is due today, or maybe they just spent their last 20 bucks on lunch, whatever it is. So people are going to watch the video, they're going to opt in, and then they're going to bounce. But that's where the automated emails come in. Even if they leave this page and they don't end up buying whatever product you're promoting, well, tomorrow they're going to get an email bringing them right back to this link. And then the next day, another email. And then the next day, another email. And this is important because the vast majority of people do not buy things the first time they see them. I think studies say that people need to see an offer like 3 to 5 times at a minimum before they consider buying it. For some offers, it might even be up to 7 times. So that's why you want to create one of these AI email sequences. And what's really cool is ChatGPT or Google Gemini, any of the AI writing tools can create one of these email sequences for you faster than you can copy and paste the emails into your autoresponder. All you have to do is tell it, hey, write me a 7-day email sequence that promotes whichever one of these tools that you want to promote. So say you wanted to promote Go High Level, all you do is click on this link right here, register as an affiliate, and then head over to ChatGPT or Google Gemini and say, hey, write me a 7-day email sequence that promotes Go High Level. Then all you have to do is copy and paste the emails into your autoresponder. So I hope you're picking up what I'm putting down here. All we're doing is clicking buttons. It starts at OneClickVids.com, right? I showed you how that works. You come here, you click free tools, talking AI photos. Then you're going to come here, you're going to click here to upload your video. You'll type your name, select your gender, type or paste your script, click proceed, and then the video will get sent to your email. So at that point, you can either just go directly to social media and upload your AI video, or like I said, if you want to get fancy, you can schedule a bunch of these out in advance and then not even have to worry about it. So if you just stop there, like I said, there is a good possibility that people are just going to look at your link and bounce. Now, you will probably get a few sales this way, but not nearly as many as if you automate your email sequence using AI generated emails. Or, you can always type these emails manually if you want to take a lot of time, but I've found that AI can write just as well as I can, if not a lot better, given the right prompt. So that's how all of this works. Those are the steps. So the last thing I want to leave you here with is, if this seems a little complicated for you, then I can actually set all of this up for you. And the way to do that is joining my school community. And just to clarify, what I'm going to set up for you is the landing page here and the 7-day email sequence. So you'll still need to create your own videos or post content or buy ads or whatever it is, but I will set up this entire AI email sequence for you just for joining my school community, and you can do that at profitableBots.com. So there's a lot more inside the school community. There's every course I've ever created in the past about making money online, as well as it's a great place to get your questions answered. I mean, I do my best to respond to as many comments on YouTube and Facebook and social media as I can, but to be honest, with this much content going out to this many different accounts, there's just no way that I can interact with every single person who wants to ask me a question. So that's why I've created the school community, to give people who are serious about this a place to interact with me, talk to me, ask me questions. And not only me, you can talk to the 60 other people in the group who all have great ideas about making money online with AI. So that's at profitableBots.com. Like I said, all we're doing in this entire process is clicking buttons and maybe typing a few words. So it's something pretty much anyone can do if they just take a few minutes to actually follow the steps. So with that said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below. My analytics show that over 90% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed, so if that's you, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button down below. Be sure to hit the like button. It takes me a ton of time to create these videos. It takes a split second to click the thumbs up, so go ahead and do that. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.